Just wanted to give you a quick look at the EastLand Center construction progress after I get past this car so he doesn't think I'm trying to creep up on him or something. It's right there. They got 2 walls completely up. It's changing the landscape of things. I'm about to zoom in a second. Zoom this in a little bit and then do this. Little sidewalk-ish with the shit. That guy likes to creep around my spot right there. He's taking my spot up. Just a little, and then just kind of chill like this and act like I'm texting. We got some construction going on right there. That's where that wall is. It's going to be a warehouse soon, so you get to see the inside of the walls. 8 Mile Road near 94, where the old EastLand Center used to be, right there. It's going up, the new warehouse. That's the whole look. Been keeping a documentary series going on this just to document the demolition of a legend. EastLand Center going down.